What's going on, guys? And welcome back to another video. And in today's episode we have a keyboard review. This is Future Judy here, and I just wanted to, before we get into the video, I just wanted to mention something I forgot to mention. These are Otemu Blue switches. They're really nice. Here, I'll actually show you. Otemu Blue switches, they're kind of like Cherry MX switches. They're just not as high quality, but nonetheless clicky and mechanical. Let's get on with the video. Starting off here, we have the RGB effect. Cycles through all colors. Next up, we have a whole bunch of just random colors together. It looks pretty dope. We have a scatter effect. Comes in many different colors. We got red, green, and a lot of other ones. This is just a solid color, really, with a whole bunch of other things. It doesn't do anything. This is like Snake, I think it's called. I'm not entirely sure about that one. This one is Spectrum Cycling. It just goes through all the different colors slowly as one solid piece. It's one of my favorites. Next we have Breathing. Change the color and it breathes. That's really about it for that one. This is a solid rainbow color. It may look like it's doing stuff. It's really not. Next we have Reactive or Ripple. Press the key and it does that. Change the color yet again by pressing Function and plus or minus key. It's pretty dope. I like this one. Next up we have Reactive again. It's pretty cool. Then we have Shootout, and that's what I call it anyway, because that's what it does. That was the Wave. Looks pretty cool. Another scatter type one. I like this one. It's pretty cool. And then we have this Wave one, which is pretty awesome. Guys, as always, thanks for watching this video. Leave a like down below. Comment if you want to try out this keyboard. It's really nice, and I totally recommend it. Great budget keyboard. So it comes in around 50 bucks on Amazon, and yeah, it's pretty great. It's called an E-Element Z88 RGB mechanical keyboard, the 75% version, by the way. And yeah, thanks for watching, and peace out.